Hi, my name is Alexandra Edwards, and I'm going to be your respiratory care student today, and I'm going to show you how to take an albuterol inhaler without a chamber and with a chamber if you can't get an adequate deep breath in. So first you want to start off with proper hand hygiene. Okay, and before we get started, I'm just going to show you that the medication does indeed come out of this, and there is a counter. Okay, you want to take your inhaler and shake it really well. Shake, shake, shake. And then you want to take the cap off of the inhaler, put it up to your mouth, and make a tight seal with your lips. Push this button down as you inhale slowly. Then hold it as long as you can and exhale. With the chamber, you want to take the lid off of the inhaler, and then there is a placement for the inhaler to go. So you're just going to put this inside of there, and then you're going to take the cap off of the chamber and do the exact same thing. You want to take a nice deep breath in slowly, because if you do not go slowly, your chamber will make a noise just like this, and you do not want that. You just want to go slowly so it does not make that noise. So you're going to take a deep breath in, hold it, and exhale. Thank you.